Are you looking for free camping in California? Well, Sidewinder Road might just be your place. Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm the other half of the Wandering Shores, and today we thought, you know what, we should just switch things up. Today I'm going to show you around Sidewinder Dispersed camping area here in California. Hi! As you can see, I'm here on Sidewinder Road, just north of Interstate 10. To my right, you're going to have Yuma. If you want to go to Yuma, you go that direction. San Diego is that direction. So going north here on Sidewinder Road, when you go over the railroad tracks, on the left you're going to see Sidewinder BLM. Okay, so here we are going north on Sidewinder Road, and over to the left you can see the BLM, Sidewinder BLM. When you are staying here, they do have a 14-day stay limit. There are no facilities here at this BLM. There is a dump station at the Chevron. It's $10 to dump, and as of today, February 2023, they do not have potable water. We will put the gas location in the video description below. Potable water you can get at a rest area at the Imperial Sand Dunes Recreation Area, and that's 8 miles west of the Sidewinder Road exit. Now looking over here at the BLM, you can see that there are wide open spaces and it's big rig friendly. Sidewinder Road will turn into a gravel road about a half a mile north of the exit. It's a little washboarded, but they frequently drag the road so it's not washed out. So now, as you can see, there's lots of wide open camping spaces on both sides of the road. Here we're at the intersection of Sidewinder and Barney Oldfield. And there's extra spaces to camp down Barney Oldfield if you're interested in camping a little bit farther away from where most of the campers are. A little bit after Barney Oldfield Road, you'll come across this sign saying, beyond this point, only 4x4s are recommended. The road will get a little bit deeper with gravel and sand, but hang on with us. Now keep in mind, the further you go on this road, the bigger the berm on the side of the road that your camper will have to go over in order to access the camping sites. There's a big rig back there. It's a large HDT. So right now we're going through the part where the sand and the gravel gets a little bit deeper, but it should open up ahead. So once we're there, we will show you. After about a third of a mile, the gravel and the sand kind of thin out a little bit, and then you're going to see more areas that you can pull off into to find the perfect camp spot for yourself. I hope you found this review of the Sidewinder BLM Dispersed camping area helpful. If so, please subscribe to our channel. That helps us out a lot, and it's free. And hit that notification bell so that you are notified of any other videos that we put out, and give us a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.